right, so you have a 2014 to 2017 SS sedan with a broken window regulator. Here's how to remove the door panel and replace that regulator. Start by removing the Phillips head screws at the bottom of the door panel. Remove this plastic pad underneath P20 Torx head bolt. Behind the door handle, there's a plastic cover. You can gently pry that off. There'll be a 7mm bolt behind it. Next, you're going to gently pry off the cover. It's held in with clips. There'll be a 7mm bolt that you'll need to remove. Now that all the bolts are out, you can pry on the bottom firmly and the door panel will pop off. Next, you're going to pull up on the yellow clip that holds the latch to the door handle. Then, using a razor blade or a knife, gently pull on the plastic and you can cut the rubber. And then just push that either aside or let it hang down. The glass sits in 2 clamps. If you remove these 10mm bolts, the window will be able to move freely. Take the window so it doesn't fall down as you're removing the regulator. Next, remove these 4 10mm bolts. It's what holds the regulator to the door. That's it for the removal. Repeat the steps in reverse to reinstall the regulator. You may have to reinstall the switch in order to get the regulator in the right position in order for the window to sit inside those clamps. When you're tightening down those clamps, be careful not to over tighten them. Make sure that you put all 4 bolts back in. I missed one. And test it so that you make sure that the window works before you put the door panel back on. Keep you from having to take the door panel back off like I had to do. Since you have the door panel off and everything disassembled, you might want to clean out your drain plugs. Keep you from getting water in your door. Then just reinstall the plastic dust cover. Don't forget to plug in the connector. If you don't, you'll get a door chime as if your door isn't closed. So if you come into that problem, it's probably your culprit. That's it. This was helpful. Please like and subscribe. I'll try to bring more content as either things break and I have to replace them, or we have some modifications to the car.